Come on, look at this though.
What the fuck, dude? What was that? What?
Okay, we're on our way. No, can you look at the screen and help me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, we're... No, stop. What?
Whoa! What is it in the car, bro?
Change the hazel. The hazel? Yeah, change the hazel. Oh.
Vi kan jo lave sådan en ude for haven, hvor vi står sådan i blandet i for eksempel med et eller andet ude. Nej, det er ikke noget. Snakker om.
Josh.
I don't know.